How many calories should I eat in a day? This is a very common question posed to us at Physicians Premier Weight and Wellness Center. The answer is a complex one and varies person to person. Trying to determine how many calories an individual needs in a day can vary based on age, gender, and lifestyle. And the number of calories needed for weight loss also differs from the number of calories needed during maintenance. Basically, a calorie is a unit of energy. When we eat calories from food, they are converted to energy, which is used for all the basic functions such as breathing, circulation, brain, and muscle function. Basically, all the body's essential functions run on calories. When it comes to health, remember, it's not all about calories. Not all calories are created equal. For example, 100 calories coming from a glass of soda and 100 calories coming from a glass of milk are very different. The quality or the nutritional value of the calories differ based on the food. Healthy calories coming from vegetables, whole foods, nuts, beans, and lean meats keep us full longer, whereas empty calories coming from processed carbs and sugars can leave us feeling hungry and craving very quickly. If you're trying to lose weight, you need to have a calorie deficit. In other words, consuming fewer calories than you need. This allows the body to burn stored fat. But remember, drastically cutting back on calories should be done under doctor supervision. If the nutritional balance is not there, the weight loss plan will backfire. A simple and fairly accurate way of measuring how many calories you need to eat for weight loss and for maintenance is done by doing a metabolic test. The test uses indirect calorimetry to assess this. We here at PPWWC refer to it as an RMR, or resting metabolic test. If you'd like to learn more about RMR testing and weight loss, please visit our website at healthymeweightloss.com.